The next question here is find the value of sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. Very important question. Find the value of sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. Now the options given are first option 1 by 2, second option 1 by 4, third option 3 by 2, fourth option 3 by 4. These are the 4 options given. Very useful question, very important. Now what we do is sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8. Instead of 5 pi by 8, we can write sine to the power of 4 pi minus 3 pi by 8. Because if you take LCM 8 pi minus 3 pi becomes 5 pi by 8. And 7 pi by 8 is pi minus pi by 8 if you take LCM. Therefore, this will be equal to sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8. We all know sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Therefore, this is sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 pi by 8. So therefore, we are having sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 pi by 8. This is 2 sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus 2 sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8. Therefore, 2 is common. We get sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8. Now one more important point here is we can write 3 pi by 8 also as pi by 2 minus pi by 8 if you take LCM. If you take LCM, what is pi by 2 minus pi by 8 if you take LCM? LCM is 8. We get 4 pi minus pi, which is 3 pi. So 3 pi by 8, we can also write it as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Now, advantage in writing like this is sine to the power of 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 8 is nothing but cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. Cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. Now remember one more important point. What is sine to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta? What is sine to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta? It is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. It is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. So it is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. We can write it as 2 by 4 into 4 sine square theta cos square theta. So therefore, we can write this as 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta. It is 1 minus 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta. Sine to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta is always 1 minus 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta. So here sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus cos to the power of 4 pi by 8. Here theta is pi by 8. Therefore we can write this as 1 minus 1 by 2 into sine square 2 into pi by 8. 2 into pi by 8 means pi by 4. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 minus sine square 45 degrees. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine square 45 means sine square pi by 4 will be 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 2 into 3 by 4. Therefore, 2 gets cancelled. Required answer is 3 by 2. Required answer is 3 by 2. Therefore, answer is third option. Required answer for the problem is third option. Very, very important question. Now, after that, the next important question of multiple submultiple is, next very, very important question is, if alpha lies in the fourth quadrant, alpha lies in the fourth quadrant, and sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2, if it is minus 3 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, okay, then minus 1 by 2. Then question is, find the value of sine 2 alpha. If sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 is minus 1 by 2, then find the value of sine 2 alpha. First option, 3 root 7 by 8. Second option, 3 root 7 by 16. Third option, minus 3 root 7 by 4. Fourth option, minus 3 root 7 by 8. These are the 4 options. Alpha lies in the fourth quadrant. Sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So, what we do is, now since sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 is equal to minus half, squaring on both sides. Sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2, sine square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2, 1 plus 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 equal to 1 by 4. But remember, 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 is sine alpha formula. So it is sine alpha equal to 1. Therefore, sine alpha will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 1, which becomes minus 3 by 4. Sine alpha is how much? Minus 3 by 4. Now remember, if sine alpha is 3 by 4, if opposite side length is 3, hypotenuse is 4, adjacent side will be 16 minus 9. 7. And because alpha lies in the fourth quadrant, cos alpha will always be positive. Therefore, it will be positive root 7 by 4. Therefore, sine 2 alpha, which we already know, it is 2 sine alpha cos alpha, it will be 2 into minus 3 by 4 into root 7 by 4. So 1, 2 gets cancelled. We get minus 3 root 7 by 4. Sine 2 alpha is how much? Minus 3 root 7 by 4. Therefore, 3 root 7 by 8, because 2 is left over. Therefore, required answer will be minus 3 root 7 by 8. Let us see which option. Answer is fourth option. required answer is minus 3 root 7 by 8.